Alright, you want us to explain the proposal method, so it's going to help your school assignment. To solve this question with the proposal method, first you have to understand that this question is what type of question. Is it a direct proposal question or it is an indirect proposal question? What is the basic difference between direct proposal and indirect proposal? Now suppose that there is a two quantities given x1 and y1. If x1 is keep increasing, then y1 also increase. So this type of relation is called the directly proportional relation. In another one, if the one quantity is increasing, the another quantity should be decreased. So this one is called the indirect proportion over here. So it is 1 divided by y, and over here. So in our case, to find out it's a direct proportion or indirect proportion, we understand the question first time. So if 8 kg of biscuits cost $64, so now we have to calculate the cost of 12 kg of biscuit. So in that case, we know that if the quantity of the biscuit is increased, then cost of biscuit is also increased. So we know that the cost of the 12 kg biscuit is always higher than cost of the 8 kg biscuit. So in that case, we first understand, okay, it is direct proportional. In the second case, we can go directly to use the formula for the direct proportion. The formula for the direct proportion is x1 divided by y1 is equals to x2 divided by y2. So what is x1 and what is y1 and what is x2 and y2? We understand the x1, y1 and x2, y2 quantity with the help of this example. We don't given with the value, or we have to find out the cost of 12 kg of biscuit. What we can do that we suppose that the cost of a 12 kg biscuit is, let's suppose, is equals to x dollar. Is it? So now for the formula, we can write the quantities over here. Suppose that x1 is what? X1 is the cost of 8 kg biscuit, which is given as $64. What is the y1? The y1 is the quantity of the biscuit, which is 8 kg in the first case. In second case, what is the x2? Is the price of the 12 kg biscuits, which is we consider as x dollar. And what is the quantity in the second case? The quantity in the second is 12 kg. Now we simply put the x1, y1, x2, y2 in this formula, and we find out the value of x2, or find out the value of x. To do this one, first we put these values over there. So what is x1? The x1 is 64. What is the y1? The y1 is 8. What is x2? X. What is y2? Is 12 kg. After putting this one, we can simply apply the cross multiplication over here. So cross multiplication is 8x is equal to 64 into 12. Further, one more time, we apply the cross multiplication, and it becomes 64 into 12 divided by 8. So if you further simplify this one, 8 times 8, and x you are going to get is $96. So the price of 12 kg biscuit, you know that you understand the $96. So hope you understand this method, ask more questions and get more solutions.